Attic dreams, secrets stay, balcony lights fade away. Kitchen smells of sweet decay. My heart beats where shadows play. I walk the hallway, counting steps in the night, through the bedroom where the moon hides its light. The door creaks open, my heart skips a beat. In the living room I hear echoes repeat. Stairs keep talking, ceiling watching, dark garden grows in my mind. Every window whispers secrets I don't want to find. This house is alive, can you feel it breathe? From the kitchen heat to the attic eaves, I'll dance in the dark with a smile so sly. Pop a bubble, say goodbye, I can't deny. Under the roof, stars are peeking through. The dining room waits for a midnight cue. A fence of silence around my skin, but the gold door lets the secrets in. Closed in, full of faded sighs. Wall of memories, paper lies, floor so cold, but I still glide. Dark sugar rush, I won't hide. This house is alive, can you feel it breathe? From the kitchen heat to the attic eaves, I'll dance in the dark with a smile so sly. Pop a bubble, say goodbye, I can't deny. This house is alive, can you feel it breathe? From the kitchen heat to the attic eaves, I'll dance in the dark with a smile so sly. Pop a bubble, say goodnight, tonight I fly.